What is up, guys? TJ got Kicks 89 here, back with another video, and I gave a sneak peek of what we're about to do today, but you read the description and title of the video, and it is on a on a set of ceramic bearings that I procured obviously from Shopee. This channel is kind of like buy random shit from Shopee and see if it works, but I have a feeling this is gonna be a little something. So this is the exposed side. I'll show this to you guys later, but essentially it's in a set of 8 obviously, and on the shield it says ABEC 11608 RS. I'll try to put b-rolls of me when I'm doing this just so you guys could get a quick look. It's shielded, rubber shielded on both sides, so that means that it seals dirt out from your bearings, so it doesn't ruin your bearings as fast. To you Swiss guys that pop your shields when you're skating your bearings, that's entirely up to you. I don't do it unless I have to, but this is basically the bearing. So on it just says ABEC 11, and one of the most interesting things about this is that check out that smoothness and that spin. I've never had a stock bearing spin so smoothly and so fast in my fingers on the first day of buying it. So that's pretty damn interesting, and the ceramic balls are right in there. It has, I think, a core similar to what is on a Bone Swiss, so it's probably Delrin. The inner and outer race look to be solid, so I don't think it's gonna be that bad of a bearing, honestly. So they feel a bit rattly here, but all in all, I think a pretty good solid performer for the price that I got it for. I will leave the link down below for you guys to make a purchase of this, but if you're like me and you're just curious as to why Bone Swiss ceramics cost 600 ringgit, here's the reason why. So TJ got Kicks 89, I'm signing out.